Hi, my name is Zetya, and I'm one of the strategy members of Team 3061 Husky Robotics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the analysis page on the Spot Demo site. First, you want to head over to spotdemo.team3061.org/analysis. On the left, you can see a Simulate Match button. You can also select a specific team and analyze their scouted statistics through the sidebar. In Simulate Match, you have the option to either review a match or customly create two alliances and simulate their outcomes. When you select a particular match, you can scroll down on each alliance side and analyze the performance for that game. And this is all dummy data. You can see each team's statistics and also combined alliance scores. If you want to analyze a specific statistic of a team, you can go to the search bar or scroll through and select a team alternatively. For example, one is able to view a team's performance, coral and algae pickup distribution, teleop and auto algae score distribution, coral reef placement, auto coral reef placement, barges, auto pickup distribution, and preloads. There are also some more specific statistics to the right. That's how you use the Spot Demo Analysis website. We wish you the best of luck at competition this season.